Samsung confirms Galaxy S23 launch date on its website. After a series of leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy S23 series, Samsung has confirmed the Galaxy S23 launch date. Samsung usually drops its latest S series in the first quarter of the year, and it's looking like that'll happen again for the S23. If you're feeling impatient, or if your phone is on its last legs and you're counting the days for an upgrade, there's some good news. The company has revealed the information via its own website, and it is pretty much guaranteed that the South Korean firm will launch the Galaxy S23 at its Galaxy UNPACKED 2023 Part 1 event. According to Samsung's website for the Colombian market, the next Galaxy UNPACKED event is happening on February 1, 2023. The tagline for the event reads, "Epic moments are coming." The promotional image also reveals the 3 rear cameras of the Galaxy S23 series, featuring individual rings around them, similar to what we've seen in the leaked renders. As per previous reports, the Galaxy S23 series could go on sale by the second week of February 2023. Samsung may not increase the pricing of its new phones compared to the Galaxy S22 series. However, nothing can be confirmed until the South Korean firm makes it official. As usual, Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event would be live-streamed on Samsung.com, Samsung Newsroom, and Samsung's YouTube channel. That's great news for potential buyers, and now we have all follow-up details, especially regarding pricing. The Samsung Galaxy S22 series wasn't cheap, and phone prices are continuing to increase due to inflation and supply chain issues. The rumored prices claim that the Galaxy S23 will cost roughly the equivalent of $933 in the US. It would also be a 20% hike from the Galaxy S22's debut price of last year. So far, there has not been much on what to expect from the price of Samsung's upcoming flagships. In fact, a strange rumor even suggested that Samsung could possibly push back the date of the launch because it could not decide on the pricing of the phones. If we do see this massive price increase for the S23 series this year, it could be a tough one for Samsung to sell. Sales of the Galaxy S22 didn't meet their expectations, and with a disappointing fiscal quarter and a looming recession, Samsung will be pinning all their hopes and pulling out all stops for the Galaxy S23 lineup. Hopefully, this would mean not increasing the price. We'd wait before pressing the panic button about Galaxy S23 price hikes, as these sorts of rumors pop up all the time before a flagship phone launch. The same thing occurred just before the launch of the iPhone 14, where it was rumored that all the iPhone 14 models could get a $100 price hike. Luckily for us, that didn't turn out to be true. So, what do you guys expect from the upcoming S23 lineup in the Unpacked event? Let us know it down in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.